you haven't downloaded CapCut yet, just click the first link in the description. It'll take you straight to the official website for a safe download. The download is free, and the file is about 600 to 700 megabytes, so it's pretty quick with a decent connection. When CapCut opens, you'll see a clean interface with a New Project button. Click it to start. This opens your computer's file explorer. Navigate to the folder with your videos or photos, like clips from a recent event. Select one or more files and click Open to import. Your clips will appear in the timeline at the bottom of the screen. The PC version's interface is intuitive. The top part is the preview window where you watch your video, the bottom is the timeline where you arrange clips, and the left panel shows all your imported media. You can drag clips to reorder them easily. Adding transitions. Transitions make your video flow smoothly between clips. In your timeline, notice the small gap between clips. Click that gap, and the Transitions panel will open on the right. You'll see options like Fade, Slide, or Zoom. Let's try Fade for a classic look. Click it, then hit Apply. Now your clips blend smoothly. You can adjust the transition duration by dragging its edges in the timeline. Try 1 to 2 seconds for a natural effect. Explore other transitions like Spin for a fun vibe. If you don't like one, click it in the timeline and press Delete. Basic audio editing. Audio is key to engaging videos. Click the Audio tab in the toolbar. You can add music from CapCut's library. Go to Music, browse categories like Vlog or Upbeat, and click the download icon next to a track you like. Then click Add to place it in the timeline's audio track. Drag the audio's edges to align with your video. To adjust volume, click the audio track and use the volume slider on the right. If your clip has unwanted audio, like background noise, click the clip, select Audio, and click Mute. You can also add sound effects from the Effects tab for extra flair. Adding text overlays. Text can make your video stand out, like titles or captions. Click the Text tab in the toolbar. Select Add Text to create a title. Type something like Summer Adventure and press Enter. Your text will appear in the preview window and as a track in the timeline. To customize, click the text track and use the right panel to change the font. Try Roboto for a clean look, or adjust the size and color. Want the text to move? Go to Animation, choose Fade In, and apply. Drag the text track's edges in the timeline to control how long it stays on screen. Adding captions make your videos accessible and engaging, especially for social media. Go to the Text tab and click Auto Captions. CapCut will analyze your video's audio and generate captions automatically. Select your language, like English, and click Generate. Once done, captions appear as text tracks in the timeline. Click a caption to fix typos or adjust timing by dragging its edges. To style, use the Style tab on the right. Try a bold font with a shadow for readability. If there's no audio, you can manually add captions by selecting Add Text and typing them. Look at that! You've created a professional video with CapCut on PC. In this tutorial, we added text, captions, and exported your project. Now you're ready to create awesome content for TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. Keep experimenting with CapCut's tools, and don't forget to save your project often using the Save button. Thanks for following this tutorial. Share your videos with us and let me know if you want more advanced CapCut tips. Happy editing!